out here in Keene Bay and Ackle. Fina just went for a swim. Tara is climbing the cliff. It's very beautiful. If you've seen that Banshees of Inisherin, this house is from it. But it's kind of just like, why'd you build out there? Like, literally, cop on. Anyway, it's very pretty though. Okay guys, just did a little hike. These are the scenes. It's really beautiful. So at this, like what, army watchtower or something? It's a dog now. Tara! Look through here. It's absolutely magnificent. Stunning. And just well. You maybe will see a whale, you know? There, doesn't that look like a head? Right there. I'm out of breath. Look at the water, that's so pretty. Oh my god. My shoes did not wear the right hiking attire. Anyway, stunning though. Jesus. Hello. Jerry, come here. Come here. Wait, I'm scared. I want to be a sheep whisperer now. Here, babies. I come in peace. Wait, Lamb of God. Maybe it's Jesus. No, baby. No. What's going on? I dare you to duck under fully right now. Do it. Don't be a wimp. Do it. Do it. Jump under. Come on, don't be a wimp. You got it. You can throw me your shirt. Wimp. Christ, lads. Look where I am. Out camping for the night. Connemara. It's 12 pence. Yesterday it was 12 pence. It was 12 pence. Look at all the sheep. So fab. There's the dog, she's happy out. I was just doing a bit of journaling there. And Dad and Stephen are off playing golf. So that's our setup. It's my lovely chair that I got from a lecture picnic. I'm just going for an evening stroll into fabulous light. Look at that. Life is good, guys. This is where I'm from. Like, I have to remember that. Like, I'm literally from one of the most beautiful places in the world. You know what I mean? Like, sorry now. What even is that? Horses. I don't believe it. Horses. It's just divine. Absolutely fabulous. I mean, obviously you need the weather, and like right now I am cold. But like, it's not, you know, like they're in shorts. It's not freezing. Like, I don't know why I'm so cold right now, to be honest. It's weird. There's like so much different animal droppings. Like, look at all the different types of freaking dumps around. Honestly, like, it's so, I feel so peaceful. Like, I've been quite sad and everything about the weather. Like, this is one of the first sunny days of the year we've gotten. It was like 19.5 degrees today. It was like one of the sunniest days of summer, I'd say. And like, it's the middle of July. Hot summer now, it's mid-July when you arrive for everyone. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's not that hot right now. Like, I'm literally dressed like this. Look at that. Look at all these sheep. They're all staring at me. They're not all. Some of them are into sheep territory there. Fucking dogs, you ran after me. That's where they're running from. Tara, stop scaring them. Stop it. No need to be alarmed, guys. She is non-threatening. Please. Like, I'm just concerned what type of shit this is on the floor. Because there is every kind right now. I'm just trying to see the horses for real. I think I might just actually take a piss over here. Oh, well, that's a handy spot for the toilet, I guess.
Oh, yeah. or a big ring. We do scraps it. Listen, welcome back to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel too.
Say hey. This is nice. What time is it?
It's 10 or something.
And it's this bright. Fabulous. Whoa! Baby, it's hard. Say something. Tara, hey baby, go Dad, look over here. Let's go. They brought enough golf balls anyway. Gee whiz, it's 11:31, and look how bright it is.
Oh my days.
Breakfast.
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Mate, don't put this in.
Do you want to see them?
What?
Oh my god, show your toe. Oh, got it. Show your toe.
No, fuck off.
Look at there. Dogs, so right now,
Okay, that was you.
Tara didn't make the cut. What?
That was you with the hat 2 years ago.
Where?
That would have been you.
Thanks. What? Look at your man walking, it's so cute. Bro, Tara is heartbroken, she's not even looking at them. Pie. Well in. Hey. Tara was robbed.
Soldier boy, tell 'em the dance flow silly. The ladies gon' feel me. The fellas in the back and they twisting up a filly. Get silly, get silly.